Streams of water ran through a UN shelter in Khan Yunis in southern Gaza on Tuesday after heavy rain. The downpour brought with it new concerns and challenges for Palestinians, many of whom are homeless and living in makeshift tents after weeks of Israeli bombardment. Fayez Suru is one of them.
Winter is a nightmare. The situation we're facing now will be a nightmare. In the past, I used to wish for winter to arrive and for the rain to fall, for the trees to start to blossom and grow so that we can harvest, when everything looks so beautiful. But right now, I pray every day for it not to rain. We are living in tents, nothing that can protect us. When the rain falls, we will drown.
The start of the rainy season and the possibility of flooding increased fears that the already damaged enclave's sewage system will be overwhelmed, and then disease will spread. Winters can be wet and cold in Gaza, and the enclave is sometimes hit by flooding. Juliet Touma is the Director of Communications at the UN Palestinian Refugee Agency.
When I would go to Gaza and there would be just a few drops of rain, the streets would just flood because the systems are not good enough to absorb and do all the, the absorption and all the sewage and water management and all of this. So the streets would really flood. This is in a normal day.
The World Health Organization said last week that Gaza faced an increased risk of disease spreading because Israeli air bombardments had disrupted the health system. The airstrikes have also limited access to clean water and caused people to crowd in shelters. WHO spokesperson Margaret Harris.
We're very concerned. We've already got outbreaks of diarrheal diseases. We've already got recorded well over 30,000 cases when we would normally expect 2,000 cases in the same period.
The Norwegian Refugee Council said the start of the rainy season could mark the most difficult week in Gaza since the conflict began. And other aid agencies have said trying to simply meet the daily needs of Gazans has meant they've been unable to plan ahead for potential flooding. Israel vowed to wipe out Hamas after the October 7th attack. Over 1,200 people were killed and about 240 were taken hostage, according to Israel. Medical officials in Hamas-run Gaza say over 11,000 people have been killed in Israel strikes since then.